First of all, what you have to do, you have to visit on blogger.com. So first go on Google and just type blogger, and after that you will get first result blogger.com. Just click on it and then you will get a website blogger.com. There you will see create your blog. Just click on create your blog, and after that they will ask to enter your email ID and your password. So just enter your email ID and your password. After entering your email ID and your password, if there is two-step verification, so just tap on your phone and or just provide your credential details like OTP and these things, and after that this will ask to choose a name for your blog. So what you have to do, just type your blog name. Like I'll type here Abdur Rahman Ji Tutor, and after typing the title just click on next button. After that this will ask for address. So whatever address you want to give, just put it over here. This will be the address to visit to your website. So just what you have to do, you have to type your address, means blog address. Like I have to type Abdur Rahman, which is not available, Abdur Rahman Ji, which is also not available. So what I'll do, I will do Abdur Rahman Ji Tutor, and then what you have to do, just click outside of the type box, and then you will see this blog address is available. So it means this is available, you can create using this address. After that what you have to do, you have to click on next button, and after that this will ask display name. Here you have to type whatever you want to display on your website. So just I will type Abdur Rahman Ji Tutor, and after that just click on finish button, and after clicking on finish button you will get this type of screen. After that you will get these notifications. Okay, there will be 3 notifications. So what you have to do, you have to read these notifications. After reading just close it. After reading these notifications also just close it, and just close it also. This will create some space and this will look clean. That's why I am saying to dismiss, means close the notification. After that you will get an email. There you have to subscribe the notification. Like if you will visit to your email, means on the gmail.com, there you will get a mail from blogger.com. They will say like if someone will comment on your post, so that notification you want or not. If you want, so just what you have to do, you have to subscribe. I recommend you to subscribe the notification, comment notification, because someone will comment on your post, that notification you will get on this mail. So that's why I am saying you, I am telling you, just subscribe the notification, comment notification emails. Okay, and after that just what you have to do, you have to go there only. Now I'll show you, if you have already your website on blogger.com, how you can log in. So just I'll close it. Now I'll show you how you can log in blogger.com if you have already your account on Blogger. So what you have to do, just type blogger.com in Google and then just click on sign in. After that you will get like this. So just choose your email address. Like I'm going to choose this, and then here you have to enter your password, email ID is password. After that you will be logged in your account. Like now I'm logged in.